My mates at Neff got in touch and they said, John, can you make a dish that's delicious from the regular ingredients that you have in your store cupboard?
This is the simplest pasta dish you'll ever find. It's so easy to make, and you make it from ingredients that you naturally find in your store cupboard. But I've got a little twist that just makes it delicious.
Creamy, toasted cashew pesto. Oh, mate. Pesto's classically made with olive oil, garlic, parmesan, pine nuts, and then basil. I couldn't get hold of basil or pine nuts, so I'm using rocket, which is super easy to get hold of, and then I'm using cashews. Cashews are used to make cashew milk, right? Because it's so creamy. Now think about that, cashews, creamy pesto, and now I'm going to toast them in the oven. Oh, it'll be so good. How can something this cheap and simple to make be that tasty?